morning, students. In this video you are going to learn about atomic structure, unit number 12. Introduction of atomic structure. Every substance in our surrounding is made up of unique elements. There are 118 elements identified worldwide so far. So out of these elements, 92 elements occur in the nature and the remaining elements are synthesized in laboratories. So all of you familiar with these elements: copper, iron, gold, silver, and some of the elements found in nature. So elements like technetium, promethium, neptunium, plutonium are synthesized in laboratories. So each element is made up of similar, the minute particle or tiny particle. Each elements are made up of a tiny particle. That particle is called atom. Okay, the entire world is made up of atom. Atom combined to form a molecule, molecule combined to form a compound, compound to form a universe. So for example, the element gold is made up of gold atom, which is determined its characteristics. The word atom is derived from the Greek word. The word atom is derived from the Greek word. What is in the Greek word? Atomos. Atomos means indivisible. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atomos. So atomos means smallest divisible particle. Atomos means smallest indivisible particle. So atomos means indivisible. Atom cannot be split, cannot be divided. At the time of identify the atom. So ancient Greek philosophers like Democritus have spoken about atom. Even our Tamil poet Avvaiyar has mentioned about atom in her poem while describing the Tirukkural. அணுவை துளைத்து ஏழ் கடலை புகட்டி குறுக்கறுத்தறி குறள். So that means atom can be divisible, but none of them have scientific base. So first scientific theory about the atom was given by John Dalton. Followed by him, J.J. Thomson, Rutherford have given the theory about the atom. So in this lesson we will study how the atomic theories evolved at different times. So we will also study about the valency, molecular formula, rules of naming chemical compounds and balancing chemical equation. So one by one we are going to discuss. So first one is Dalton atomic theory. John Dalton provide the basic theory about the nature of matter. He proposed a model of atom known as Dalton atomic theory in 1808. So based on his experiment, he main postulates of Dalton theory, atomic theories are. So these are the important concept of Dalton theory. So first point, all matters are made up of extremely small particle. All matters are made up of extremely small particle. They are called the atom. So in Greek philosopher Democritus used the same name for the smallest indivisible particles. Then atom of the same elements are identical in the all aspect. Atom of the same element are identical. So So what are the same? Size, shape, mass and properties are same. Then the atoms of different elements have different shapes and mass and possess different property. Atom of different element, atom of same element have same shape, same size, same mass and same property. But atom of different element have different shape, different size, different mass, possess different property. Atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. Atom cannot be created nor be destroyed. Atoms neither be created nor be destroyed. So atoms are indestructible. So atoms of different element may combine with each other in a fixed simple ratio to form a molecule. Atom of different element may combine with each other in a fixed simple ratio to form a molecule. For example, water. What is the formula of water? H2O. So 2 hydrogen chemically combined with 1 oxygen. So 2:1 ratio. The water formula didn't change for the place to place. So it is a fixed one. Okay. So the water molecular formula is H2O. So 2 hydrogen chemically combined with 1 oxygen. Similarly, so most of the compound, the fixed number of elements are chemically combined to form a compound. An atom is the smallest particle of matter take part in a chemical reaction. Atom is the smallest particle of a matter. It take part in a chemical reaction. So John Dalton's sons of a poor weaver, they began his career as a village school teacher at the age of 12. And he became a principal of the schools 7 years later. In 1793, he moved to Manchester to teach physics, chemistry and mathematics in a college. He proposed his atomic theory in 1803. He carefully recorded each day the temperature, pressure and amount of rainfall from his youth till the end. So he was a meticulous metallurgist. That's why he measured the temperature, pressure and rainfall. Then advantages of Dalton atomic theory. So what are the advantages of Dalton theory? So Dalton theory explains most of the property of gas and liquid. It explains gas and liquid, property of gas and liquid. Then this explains the law of chemical combination of law of conservation. Law of chemical combination and law of conservation. It explains two theory. Then this theory helped to recognize the molecular difference of elements and compound. This theory helped to recognize the molecular difference of elements and compound. So these 3 points are advantages of Dalton atomic theory. Then limitation of Dalton's atomic theory. The atom is no longer considered as the smallest individual sphere. Atom no longer considered as a smallest individual particle. Atom of the same element have different masses. For example, isotope. Atom of the same element have different masses. For example, chlorine. So you have to take 2 chlorine. One chlorine mass is 35, another chlorine mass is 37. Okay. But the atomic number of the 2 chlorine is 1717. So same element have same atomic number but different mass number, that is called isotopes. Then the atom of different element have same masses. For example, isobar. Isobar means different element. For example, argon and calcium. Argon symbol Ar, calcium symbol Ca. Argon atomic number 18, calcium atomic number 20. But mass number of argon and calcium is 40. So that is atom of different element, different atomic number, but same mass number, they are called isobar. Then the substance made up of the atom, same kind of atom, may have different property. That is called allotropes. Allotrope means same element exists different structure or different shape. For example, carbon present in coal, graphite, diamond, all are made up of carbon, but it have different geometrical form. The property also differ. So substance made up of same kind of atom may have different property. So these are the limitation of Dalton theory. Fundamentals particles. In 1878, Sir William Hooker's, while conducting an experiment using a discharge tube, found certain visible rays traveling between two metal electrodes. These rays are known as Hooker's rays or cathode rays. William Hooker conducting an experiment, by using discharge tube, they found certain visible rays traveling between two metal electrodes. The visible rays traveling between two electrodes. Thus rays is called cathode ray or Hooker's ray. The discharge tube used in the experiment is now referred as a Hooker's tube, or more popularly as cathode ray tube, CRT, cathode ray tube, CRT. So that is the experiment. Here one electrode, here two metal electrode. This electrode is called cathode, this electrode is called anode. They are connected through the battery, the current is passed through the circuit. So the rays are moved from, visible rays are moved from cathode to anode. So it is a discharge tube. So here gas present at the low pressure. So gas is passes into the cathode ray tube. So by passing electric current, the gases ionized and they goes into cathode to anode by visible rays. So cathode ray tube is a long glass tube filled with the gas. So already I explained you, they filled with the gas at low pressure. The sealed at the both end. It consists of two metal plate which act as a electrode. One is anode, another one is cathode. They connected with high voltage. So the electrode which connected to the negative terminal of the battery called the cathode. So negative electrode is called the cathode, and the electrode connected to the positive terminal is called the anode. So there is the side tube which is connected to the pump. The pump is used to lower the pressure inside the discharge tube. So electricity when passes through air, removes the electrons from the gas atoms and produce cation. This is called electrical discharge. So electricity when passes through the air, it removes the electron from the gaseous atom and produces a cation. They are called electrical discharge. So this is the description about the cathode ray tube. Thank you, students.